Hello everyone, you're welcome to this class. So in this class, we want to look at the solutions to simplification of algebraic fractions that we treated. So the first question asks us to simplify, we ask to simplify, so simplify 5qr divided by 15r. So it depends, you can cut it straight. So r, we cancel r, you can do it that way. Then 5 can go here, 1. 5 can go in 15, that is 3. So what we have left at the numerator is q, and then what we have left at the denominator is what? Is 3. So that is q over 3, that's option D. Option D. I hope this is very clear. Alright. So which means we pick the last one here, option D. So then we move to number 2. So moving to number 2 now. So we have simplify this as well. So 9x squared y divided by 3x squared. So this is straightforward. Alright, so what we can do here, x squared, we cancel x squared. 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 9, 3. So what we have left is 3y divided by 1, which is same thing as what? 3y. So that is option A. Alright, so we move to the next one, number 3. So for number 3, we have, so we're going to simplify this. So that is, we have 12x y squared divided by 18x squared y squared. So what we're going to do here is this. So y squared, we cancel y squared. Now what we have here, x, we cancel one of the x squared. So because x squared means x times x, then we have x on top, then x, we cancel x. It remains one x left. So for the numbers, so what can go in 12 and can also go in 18? 2 can go, 3 can go. So let's look. 6 can go as well. So the highest common factor is 6. You can do it uh, in bits rather. So that is 2 can go here, that gives 6. 2 can go here, that gives what? 9. 3 can go, that is 2. 3 can go, that is what? 3. So what we're going to have left at the numerator is 2. X has gone, y squared has gone, we have 2 divided by 3 at the bottom, and then what's x. So we have 3, 2 over 3x. 2 over 3x, that is option C. I hope this is very clear. So let's go to number 4 now. For question number 4, uh, okay, for question number 4 now. Question number 4. So we have simplified this with x into brackets a plus b, right, divided by b into brackets a plus b. So this is straightforward. So what you have the same thing in the bracket at the denominator and the numerator. So in that case, this will cancel this. So what we have left is x divided by what? Divided by b. I hope I'm making sense. Divided by b. So that is x over b. That is option B. That is option B. Then question number 5. Question number 5. We have 5x minus 10 divided by x minus 2. So don't forget what I explained. So you cannot say because 2 can go in 10 and use these 2 to cut the 10, right? So you'll be wrong, because what you have between the terms at the numerator and at the denominator is minus minus. If whether it's going to be minus or whether it's minus or plus, you cannot cut. But if it is multiplication, then you can call. So what you're expected to do here is to factorize the numerator. You factorize the numerator. So how do you factorize? So what is common to 5x and 10? So the highest common factors of what 5 and 10, which is what 5, right? Then you open a bracket. So when you divide 5x divided by 5, so what you have left is what x minus, then you pick the same thing divided by this 5 again, and that gives what 2. So you close it, divided by what x minus 2. You notice that x minus 2 and this one same x minus 2, you can put this one in bracket so that this will cancel this. Therefore what you have as left as your answer is what 5, and that is option A. I hope this is very clear. All right, so move to question number 6 now. For question number 6, we have simplify 4a minus 4b, everything divided by 8. So the same thing the way we did number 5, the same way we're going to do number 6 as well, because we cannot divide anything like this. So we factorize the numerator. So 4 is common, and what you're going to have left is what a minus what b divided by what 8. So in this case, what you have in the bracket still remain. You cannot cut that. But 4, because the 4 is multiplying the bracket, so we can then use the 4 to cut the 8. So 4 here 1, 4 here 2. So therefore our answer will be a minus b divided by what 2. I hope I'm making sense. So a minus 2 divided by what 2, that is option C as well. Right, so move the next number 7 now. For number 7, okay, for question number 7, so simplify x squared, x minus 3, everything squared, divided by 2 into brackets x minus what 3. So if you look at this, what we're going to do, x minus 3 squared means x minus 3 multiplied by what x minus 3 divided by 2 into bracket what x minus 3. So this means that we can x minus 3, this we cancel this. So what we're going to have is what x minus 3 all over 2. So which will be the final answer, x minus 3 all over 2. So that is option A. Is that clear? So move to the next one now, number 8. Number 8, so we have 2t divided by 2t squared minus 4t, right? So 2t, so what we're going to do the same thing. So what we're going to do here, we factorize the denominator. So we factorize denominator. So what is common? What is the highest common factor of the terms on the denominator? So 2 can go, right? And t can also go, that is 2t. So if you don't want to use this, you can as well come and use this so that you not make mistake. We have 2t squared, then 4t, right? So 2 can go, so this remains t squared. Let me divide this, then this is going to remain 2t. So t can go, right? This is t and this is 2. So when you bring out, this is 2 times t, that's 2t. What you have left here is what t minus, because we have minus b there, so minus 2. So from here we can cancel 2t here 1, 2t here 1. So that means we have 1 all over t minus 2. So if care is not taken, you have to be very careful here. So let me tell you this. So some of you might say, okay, yeah, one of this one is 1, this one is t. So you can pick your answer to be t minus 2, which would be very wrong. This will be very wrong because we have 1 at the numerator, so it must be there. So the answer here is 1 over 2t minus 2. That is option B. Right. Some of you might be saying there's no answer there. So whereas there's answer there. So that's clear. So let's go to number 9. For question number 9 now. So for question number 9, so we want to simplify this as well. We have x squared minus x divided by 2x. So what we're going to have, you factorize the numerators. Factorize. So in factorizing the numerator, we are going to have x into bracket x minus 1 divided by 2x. Let me explain this again. So you can as well make use of this. You can see that I'm giving different options. So x squared, then x. So x is common, right? So this remain x, while this remain 1. So nothing can go again. So that's why we have x minus 1 as we have it here. So this x, we cancel this x. So in that case, we have x minus 1 divided by what? 2. So that's question number 9. X minus 1 divided by 2. That's option D. I hope I'm making sense. So for question number 10, for question number 10, for question number 10, so we have minus 12a cube b divided by 2a cube 2a cube. So a cube cancel a cube. 2 here 1, 2 here 6. So that means we have minus 6b. Do we have that? That's option D. Option D. So that is that on simplification of algebraic fractions. Thank you for your attention. We'll meet in our next class. Bye for now.